Welcome to another Home Business Academy video. I want to show you guys some of the stuff that I've been building in the HBA funnel builder. Very cool stuff. I've actually launched the academy. I've built a lot of pages, and we're just going to break it down really quick. So right here is the menu to my new academy. You see right here, we have a home page, which I'm going to be adding stuff to it. We have a button right here, which I'm working on this right now. You see, we got the animations. You can add GIFs to your website. So you see, we have some motion right here. And then what's also cool is if you want to have like a, course style thing, if you click here, you can password lock it, or when someone opts in, use that member's opt in and put them as a paid member or a free member, securing some of the pages. So that is an awesome feature alone. External menu links as well. And if we come down here, I want you to see some other things. Another awesome thing is, so if we come here, you can see you can have different sections. So if you have a launch and you want to keep everything under one funnel, you can ask them to add another one. And this is where I'll be using my pages for my members to duplicate. So you can come in here, for example, and you can just see my welcome. This is actually a presetted page in here. I added my video hosting on it. And here people can literally replicate my pages. So if they launch a website, I have some instructions. This is for Nexus Rewards. You can come here, you have your username, put it in here. So we can just do, and it's going to make each and every one of these links to your affiliate link. So you see right here, it's going to that person's affiliate link without them even needing to get HBA. So this is a quick launch for people. And you see I made this page in HBA as well. So sleek designs, and all of these are coded. And there's a training in HBA that shows you how to code each and every link. So the person just puts in their username, and now each of these links are coded to them, as long as they put in the right ID. And they can have your pages so you can get your people up and promote. And then I made a new domain. I got me another domain just so everyone's on this domain and not my personal one. So, and it's actually a really good domain I got. So that's some of the pages I built, and we can always switch. And here's another example. People use Stand Store, etc. So you can use a YouTube video background and put it in the blocks, and you can have like an animated background. And then I want to show you something here. We have pop-ups. So click here. And then when someone wants to get our academy, click here. And it's a pop-up checkout using Stripe. Just learned this one today that Stripe has. It's called product tables. So you can have a nice sleek look. Just use the code, because we have a code box which does JavaScript and HTML, and then we have a CSS section as well. So these are some nice things you can do in the HBA funnel builder. And you can also put your pages in the back office, so when members come and they want to make another one, it can be right here. And you see we have amazing people who have already put their websites in the back, and you can utilize them. We have a section that's worth the $25 a month with all sorts of professional pages ready, so you can launch your courses, anything you want to do right here. So you can just get up and going. If you want to launch HBA, we have pages for that. And we have a whole bunch of coded sales pages in our back office as well. And I wanted to bring some of these Home Business Academy updates to you guys, because I've been making some amazing pages. And what's so cool is if you link your domain, whatever top page you put. So say I take this page, put it at the top, it's going to have the base domain. So it automatically masks the domain. And HBA has built-in SSL, so secure website, on every funnel builder page. Even if you don't have a domain connected to it, it's going to be secured. So here's a few things you can do in Home Business Academy. If you want to start putting your stuff in the academy and start building pages for your network marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, or even replace some of your digital product hosting software, because we have not only, I showed you can link your Stripe and stuff right to the builder, but we also have a storefront where you can put your products in here as well. So you have a few products in here and you can sell it. You can actually sell it in here yourself. You see here's how it looks, like almost like a Shopify. I added a header, and you can use this as well to offer your digital products. So it'll save you a lot of money. It's only $25 a month, and we have extra resale rights, digital marketing training as well, that you can start earning recurring commissions, guys. So if you want more information on this, everything will be in the description.